In this section, we are going to talk about comparison operations in Python. We already covered in the previous lessons in the Boolean, so right now we'll just go a little bit in deep. So we need to compare string to string or integer to integer, and it is going to print out the Boolean. So let's see how it looks like. So if I want to compare one with a one, if I run it, it is going to give it true for me, because right now in both sides I have a same value. So I have a integer on the left side, integer on the right side. So when we are using double equations, that means we are comparing them. If I use only one, so in this case, so I'm assigning one variable to another one. So in order to compare, we need to use both of them. Or if I say, if I want to compare two different strings, what I need to say that, hey, I have a hello and I want to compare with another string like hello, like that one. So right now they are looks like exactly same, and we have a strings in the both sides, and it gives the boolean as a true. And also, what if I want to compare a 5 with a 5? So right now it returns a true again for me. So what if I will put a 5 as a string now? So on the left side I have a 5, which is string. Do not forget, string is just a symbol, it's just a sign. But on the right side I have 5, which is integer, so it has some value. Even from the colors you can see they are not same. So right now if I run it, it will give me false, because that 5 is string is not the same as integer 5. Or what if I want to say the 6 is bigger than 7? So it is going to print a false for me because 6 is not bigger. Or what I can say that the 2 is not equal to the 2. So whenever we use these kind of signs, so that means it says that it's not equal to. So if I run it, it is going to give me false, which is okay. And also we have and or not operations as well. So for example, I will say 1 is equal to 1 and 2 is equal to 2. You see, so I have both operations right now. So if I run it, it is going to give it true for me. So what if I will say 1 is equal to 1 and I will say 2 is equal to 3. You see, so right now whenever I use it and, that means both cases supposed to be true, otherwise it will be false. Even if the first one it is getting true, so 1 is equal to 1, but the second one is not matching, so it is going to give me a false to me. So what if I will make a same one, I will make a copy paste, copy, and I will pass it over here. Instead of and, I will write or. So it is going to give it true for me, because it says that either one must be true. So 1 is equal to 1. If that is true, so it's not even looking the second one, because the first one, the first case is working for us. Or the one of the operation is we can use the not. You see in the not, 1 is not equal to 1. So right now it says that here in this portion is true, but we put a not, so that means we are saying which is not equal to. So if I run it, it is going to be giving to me like false. So this expression is the same as this one. So I will say, so you see, 1 is not equal to 1. You can write in that form, or if you 1, you can write in that form. So both of them will be giving the same result. So that was all about comparison in Python.